Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneur. Are you drowning in a sea of customer inquiries, spending countless hours responding to emails when you could be focusing on growing your business? What if I told you there are a way to automate their entire process, saving your time and money while improving your customer service? Stick around because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Zapier and Airtable. Welcome back to AI Automation Rocks, where we help e-commerce CMBs like you leverage automation to skyrocket their growth. I'm Serge, and today we are driving into the game-changing automation setup that will transform how you handle customer inquiries. We all know that responding quickly to customer questions is critical for conversions and customer satisfaction. But let's face it, manually managing these inquiries can be a huge time sink. That's where our automation solution come in. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a system that automatically captures customer inquiries, sends tailored responses, schedules follow-ups, and even help you with other things. The best part, you'll be able to implement this today using tools you might already have, Zapier and Airtable. Let's break this down into three main steps. Starting with connecting your contact form to Airtable using Zapier. First, we'll set up a Zap in Zapier that triggers whenever someone submits your contact form. This could be any kind of the form on your website, like Google Form, Typeform, or any other Shopify store, or even social media. So we are switching to the Zapier. You should have account. You should log in, and we start creating a new Zap. Creating a new Zap. So I would take as example the Typeform. So usually I change the name of the Zap to the whatever tools are using inside. So starting with Typeform to Airtable. First, we're starting from the trigger, and the trigger will be the Typeform, and trigger event is new entry. I do have already Typeform account, but if you don't have it, you just place change and connect a new account. So I use whatever account I have already. Then press continue and configure. We need to choose the form that we have in our account. I have a contact inquiry form already created, and I will use it. So next step for the trigger is a test the trigger. I'm testing the trigger, and they have some test data provided by Zapier to have it. So we have created the trigger. So the first step in the Zap. Then now we need to choose action, and as an action we'll have the Airtable. So we need to continue with selected records and find out Airtable. And the action that we need, it is create record. So create a new record. Same with Airtable. I do have already the account, but if you don't have it, you connect a new account. That will show you all the separate window how to do it, and you can do it easily. Next, we find continue, and we need to choose the database. So I have the database. So we need to select account, and I will show how to change it because I need a specific database to be connected. So the database is called example, and I grant access. And in this case, I have connected new connections, new account connections, and we'll use this one. Now we can select the example database, and we are using the inquiry table. So here, what this example databases look like in the Airtable. So it's filled with some test data, and the contact, the same fields will be filled in the type form. So contact name, email, phone number, and inquiry. So now we have we have to map the data that we receive from the type form with the table in the Airtable. So what we are doing, we are searching for the name in the form full name. Then we are adding email address. Then we're adding the phone number, and inquiry itself. Inquiry, the tax of inquiry. So we filled all data. I mapped all data from the type form to the Airtable, and press continue, and we need to test this step. When we test in this step, this data should be added here. It's not. No, it is added. As you see, this line was added here as a test data from the and the next step, we need to publish this Zap. So we publish this Zap, and now we can test its operation with test data. Zap runs. So it's not run yet, but we will run with just fill in and submit in the form. I have some test data to be filled in, like this. Okay, so email, and phone number, doesn't look right. Why it doesn't look right? Probably because this one. Actually, we have phone number. It's not obligatory. That's why we can skip it. And now we have the inquiry itself, for example, like this. So we submit this type form, and yeah, but Frank Robert was added already in the Airtable. So we can see that it is working. Now, what we are going to do next? Next, we have automating email responses. So now that we captured these inquiries in the Airtable, let's set up automated responses. We'll create another Zap. We'll create another Zap. So we have back to the Zaps. And new Zap. And we rename it like Airtable mail. So as a trigger, we will use the Airtable, and the action is new record. Account, we will select the same account that we used. Continue. We need to select the database and also the inquiry table. We don't need the file content and limit to use. So now we test the trigger, and it shows the data. Actually, it will show us the last data that we just added. Frank, inquiries, last day, created date. So all data is here. Or we can select another one. It was like a test data, or we can see what it was added here. So it was also, we can see the previous, or the number 5 is a phone number. So let's use this one. There is a phone number here. So continue with selected record. And next step, we can send the email. So by connected any type of the email platform, it can be Gmail, or it can be ActiveCampaign, or it can be MailChimp, whatever you have using for sending the email. I would select the Gmail, because I have it connected here, and the action will be the send, create a draft, or send email. So we will send using the send email. Gmail is connected here, but the same if you don't have it, so you connected your Gmail account, and then we continue. So we are sending the email to the person who is submitting to us the email address, and we setting up from email. It is our email that we are using here, or it will be your email, whatever it is for, and it is search test, for example. And subject, we can put like your inquiry, and the body text, this is plain, and the body text will be here, and we select the name that we have, contact name we selected, like thanks for your inquiry. And we can add whatever inquiry was sent by the person. We can make it bigger. The answer is the following. So, and then says continue, and we test the step. It will be send it to this email. At the time being, we are skipping this one, and press publish. So this app is published as well. So it's active, as you see here. It is active. It's on, and I would like to give the pro tip for this stage, that create different email templates based on the type of inquiry. You can use Airtable single select field to categorize inquiries, and then use Zapier pass feature to send different email templates accordingly. What do I mean? There is a status for this inquiry. For example, this one is new. This one is new. But also you can add the type of the inquiry. For example, like inquiry type, and single select. So, and you add the options. For example, it's order, or it is, what can it be? A product, some questions about the product, or it's policy. And this inquiry you can use, for example, this one is about product. This one about policy. This one warranty is also policy, and about discount, order, shipping address is order, and so forth, also forth. So, and based on this inquiry type, you can create here the passes before this one, and then it will be sent. You can send different templates, emails based on whatever is mentioned here in this column. Our next step is a follow-up triggers and managing inquiries. Actually, we talked about this already, and it will be like this can help you identify common issues, frequently asked questions, and opportunities to improve your products or service. Based on this, using these two apps, you can automate your processing of the inquiries. And there you have it. You just learned how to set up a powerful automation system that will handle your customer inquiries like a pro, freeing up your time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. Remember, automation is all about continuous improvement. So I'd love to hear from you. What automation challenges are you facing in your e-commerce business? Drop them in the comment below and let's brainstorm some solutions together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into e-commerce automation, check out our free materials on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy automating!